Eggs are like nature's superfood, full of necessary nutrients that keep us healthy and strong. They are the building blocks for a fit and energetic life. Besides providing countless benefits, they are also tasty and can be enjoyed in various forms. Today, we will learn what happens to your body when you eat 2 hard-boiled eggs daily and how they improve your overall well-being. Improved brain function. Eggs are like brain food because of their rich nutrient profile, which plays a key role in improving brain functions. They are rich in choline, which is an important brain health nutrient. It is an important component of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that plays a key role in many brain functions such as mood, muscle control, learning, and memory. The body uses choline to produce acetylcholine, which maintains healthy brain cells and supports the communication between nerves. Proper intake of choline improves cognitive performance and prevents neurological disorders. Proteins are necessary for body cell repair and the growth of brain cells. Eggs are a high-quality protein source that provides amino acids for neurotransmitter function. Neurotransmitters are chemical messengers that carry signals between brain cells and regulate mood, energy levels, and cognitive functions. Not all eggs are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, but those labeled as omega-3 enriched provide a notable amount. Omega-3 fatty acids benefit brain health, especially DHA, which is docosahexaenoic acid. DHA is a primary structural component of the human brain and is important for brain development and function. Regular intake of omega-3 fatty acids reduces brain function decline rates and a lower risk of Alzheimer's disease. But that does not end here. Eggs are also a good source of the antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin. These are found in high concentrations in the brain and support cognitive function. These antioxidants gather in the retina and the brain, protecting cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, which cause cognitive decline. Higher antioxidant levels in the diet improve cognition and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. As I told you, eggs are full of nutritious values. They also provide a good amount of vitamins and minerals that are important for brain health, including vitamin B12, vitamin D, and selenium. Vitamin B12 is good for nerve function and neurotransmitter production. Vitamin D shows neuroprotective effects and is important for cognitive function. Selenium acts as an antioxidant and helps protect brain cells from damage. Also, eggs have a low glycemic index, which means they cause a slow and steady increase in blood sugar levels. This steady energy supply to the brain maintains focus and concentration over a long time. Weight management. Weight management. It's a concerning factor for many. Do you sometimes think that even drinking water causes weight gain? Well, actually it does not, but your increasing weight forces you to think so. Do you have any idea that eating eggs also helps with weight management? It is because of the egg's high-quality protein. Proteins are highly satiating macronutrients that make you feel full and satisfied for longer after meals. This reduces the urge to eat again and again. Also, protein-rich foods like eggs have a higher thermic effect than fats and carbohydrates. For your better understanding, a higher thermic effect means that they require more energy for digestion, absorption, and metabolism. This extra energy use helps burn more calories daily, which is good for managing weight. Despite being low in calories, eggs are nutrient-dense. They provide a good balance of necessary nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. All of these help maintain overall health and metabolism. Also, the egg's low carbohydrate content makes it a beneficial choice for managing blood sugar levels. Unlike high-carb breakfasts, having a meal based on eggs causes only a small increase in blood sugar and insulin levels. This stability reduces cravings and overall food intake. So, adding 2 hard-boiled eggs into your daily diet will make your weight loss journey a bit easier. Stronger bones. Bones form the foundation of your body just like the base of a building. Strong bones are necessary for a healthy life, just like a stronger foundation supports a sturdy structure. We should eat healthy food that supports our bone health, and eggs are one of them. Vitamin D is necessary for good bone health. It plays a key role in calcium absorption, a mineral important for maintaining bone strength and structure. Without enough vitamin D, our bodies cannot absorb calcium effectively, no matter how much we consume. Eggs, especially the yolks, are a good source of vitamin D. Eating eggs daily ensures that your body gets enough of this nutrient, enhancing calcium absorption and promoting bone health. Proteins are the building blocks of bones, making up about half of bone volume and 1/3 of its mass. As discussed earlier, eggs provide high-quality protein containing all necessary amino acids. The body needs these amino acids for growth and maintenance, including bone density and integrity. Regular consumption of eggs preserves bone mass and helps prevent conditions like osteoporosis, which is caused by weak and brittle bones. Phosphorus, found in eggs, is another necessary mineral for bones and teeth formation. This mineral works alongside calcium to support the development and maintaining strong, healthy bones. Phosphorus complements the calcium from other foods, helping keep the right calcium-phosphorus ratio, important for optimal bone health. Eggs are also a source of vitamin K2, but in smaller amounts than other foods like fermented dairy or certain meats. Vitamin K2 benefits bone health because it helps in the protein activation involved in bone metabolism. One such protein is osteocalcin, which binds the calcium molecules inside the bone. If eating one egg gives this much advantage, think about the benefits of having 2 hard-boiled eggs daily. Eye health protection. Weak eyesight has become too common in children nowadays. It's because of excessive screen time. Even toddlers are addicted to phones. If you can't reduce screen time, then at least try eating a healthy diet that is beneficial for your eyes. Do you know a new epidemiological study conducted research that states that regular consumption of eggs reduces the risk of developing the risk of AMD? Thinking about how. Let's get into it. Lutein and zeaxanthin are antioxidants found in high concentrations in the macula, a part of the retina responsible for central vision. These carotenoids act as natural sunblock, absorbing excess light energy, especially from harmful ultraviolet sun rays and blue light. They protect and maintain healthy cells in the eyes. The antioxidant properties also reduce oxidative stress that leads to macular degeneration, one of the leading causes of blindness in older adults. Eggs are rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, especially the yolk. The body absorbs these antioxidants better from eggs than from other sources due to the high fat content of the yolk, which helps in their assimilation. Egg yolks provide vitamin A in a form usable by the body. This increases its protective effects on the eyes. Vitamin A is important for maintaining a clear cornea, which is the outside covering of your eye. This vitamin is also a component of rhodopsin, a protein in your eyes that allows you to see in low-light conditions. Deficiency in vitamin A leads to a condition called xerophthalmia, which causes night blindness and dry eyes. Also, the regular consumption of eggs helps reduce the risk of developing age-related macular degeneration. It is due to high levels of the lutein and zeaxanthin. These nutrients accumulate in the retina, providing antioxidant and protective benefits that keep the eyes functioning correctly as we grow old. That's not all. These antioxidants also prevent or delay the cataract formation. Cataract, you can say, is a clouding of the lens in the eye that leads to decreased vision, and if left untreated, also causes blindness. Enhanced skin health. Many people are concerned about clear skin. Eggs are beneficial for the skin besides providing nutritional value. Protein is important for skin cell repair and regeneration. It helps produce collagen and elastin, which are fibers that give skin its firmness and elasticity, helping to prevent sagging and wrinkles. Eggs are a complete source of protein, which helps maintain and repair healthy skin tissue. Vitamin A is another element necessary for skin repair and maintenance. It helps new skin cells form and fights acne, wrinkles, and other skin problems. It also has an important role in retinoid level regulation within the skin, directly affecting skin health. Eggs contain moderate vitamin A, which contributes to the skin's overall health by promoting cell regeneration and proper functioning. Eggs also provide vitamin E. Vitamin E helps fight the free radicals effects produced by the metabolism of food and toxins in the environment. Free radicals damage cells, leading to premature skin aging and wrinkles. Vitamin E in eggs strengthens the skin's barrier function, improves skin moisture, and acts as a natural anti-inflammatory agent. Also, eggs' high fatty acid content helps maintain hydration and overall skin integrity. Fatty acids are important components of the lipid barrier, which protects the skin from environmental pollutants and overexposure to UV rays. Besides, the anti-inflammatory properties of vitamin A and selenium in eggs reduce the occurrence of acne breakouts by regulating oil production and helping clear up existing skin blemishes. Muscle maintenance and growth. Last but not least, eggs also help with muscle maintenance and growth. If you are a bodybuilder or a gym freak, eggs should be part of your daily life. As you know, eggs are one of the best high-quality protein sources. Protein is a key element for muscle maintenance and repair, as it provides the necessary building blocks for new muscle tissue synthesis and damaged muscle fiber repair. Consuming adequate protein ensures your muscles have the amino acids for growth and recovery. Eggs, especially egg whites, are rich in the amino acid leucine. Leucine helps in stimulating muscle protein synthesis. This is the process by which new muscle tissue is created. Leucine acts as a key signaling molecule that triggers muscle protein synthesis, making it beneficial for muscle growth and repair. Eggs provide significant leucine, making them an effective food choice for promoting muscle maintenance and growth. Also, the protein in eggs is highly bioavailable, which means it is easily digested and absorbed by the body. The amino acids from eggs are readily available for use by muscle tissues, allowing for efficient muscle protein synthesis. Compared to plant-based protein sources, eggs provide a superior protein source for muscle maintenance and growth. Besides being rich in protein, eggs also contain various vitamins and minerals important for muscle health and overall well-being. For example, eggs are a good source of vitamin D, which plays a role in muscle function and strength. They also contain vitamins B6 and B12, which are involved in energy metabolism and the neurotransmitter synthesis that regulates muscle contraction. Also, eggs provide important minerals like selenium and phosphorus, which support muscle function and repair. Potential risks and considerations. Eggs are a tasty and nutritious part of the diet, but there is a bit more to consider for people with diabetes or heart issues. As you know, eggs are high in cholesterol. Dietary cholesterol does not raise everyone's blood cholesterol, but people with heart issues or high cholesterol should be careful while eating eggs. I am not saying to cut it off from your diet, but limiting its consumption to 2 to 3 eggs per week is better. Also, you can combine eggs with cholesterol-lowering foods, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, to ensure a balanced intake of nutrients. Natural wonders bestow countless blessings upon us, and the egg is one of them. Simple to make yet filled with power, it represents nature's gift to our health and vitality. So why not take advantage of it and make it a part of our diet? Rome was not built in a day, and neither is a healthier lifestyle. Start by adding 2 hard-boiled eggs into your daily routine, and you will begin to feel the change within just a few weeks. If you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, subscribe to our channel to see more videos. Until then, stay hydrated and stay healthy.